Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into a new Google Sheets business template that we recently created called Sheetify Inventory. This is an all-in-one Google Sheets inventory template. We carefully designed and built this inventory toolkit for small businesses that need a dedicated inventory system. Those that manage hundreds to thousands of items, whether these are materials or finished products. If you're completely new to Sheetify Inventory, what I'll do is add a complete dedicated Sheetify Inventory tutorial down below in the description for you to check out. Today we'll be talking about email automations. These are status-based email notification automations that are triggered on the Inventory Purchases, Sales, and Tasks tab. These are personalized email notifications that are sent to your team members. Okay, let's see how this works. Now, another cool feature that we built inside of Sheetify Inventory is email notifications. So if you like, you can assign an inventory item to one of your team members. Remember, you can add your team members inside of Setup. Then if you navigate up to Sheetify, Set Up Sheetify, here you can choose to enable these automations. Purchase status email notifications, sales status email notifications, and then we have email notifications for tasks and inventory. So if you'd like to enable all of these, go ahead and enable them. You can also disable the notifications if you like. I've already enabled these, so let's click out of here. And now if I navigate across, if any of these items, these inventory items change, which results in the status change. So if an inventory status changes to low stock or out of stock, or even in stock, the associated team member, the assignee, will receive an email notification that looks something like this. And you can customize this email campaign if you like from inside email templates. Simply navigate down to email templates, scroll all the way down and locate email notification templates, and you can find each of the email notifications. Simply click here, and similar to what I showed you before with customizing email templates, simply edit the content here. And with that email I just showed you earlier, the example email, each email notification that is triggered based on a status change will have personalized information related to that line item. Pretty cool, huh? So every time a status changes in inventory, purchases, sales, and the task tab, the associated team member will get an email notification, a personalized email notification. And again, these short codes you can find in the setup page. Okay, let's jump back over to inventory and then jump over to purchases. Similar to inventory, this is where you can add your purchase orders. Again, we have the order date, receive date, the order ID, item type, the SKU will automatically be added, the purchase and receive quantity, the difference between these two, the unit cost and total cost. Then we have status here, as well as the vendor, shipping days, and assign to. Now again, let's trigger an email automation. If I change this status to received, you can see that Stuart will receive a purchase status update email, and that will be a custom email that will pull in all this data based on this purchase order. And again, this is what it will look like in the team member's email inbox. As you can see, that is a personalized email notification. However, that is it. If you have any questions about Sheetify Inventory, or if you want to request a new tool or feature to be added in a future version, make sure you add those down below in the comments. Again, I'll add other relevant tutorials and resources down below that dive into our other Google Sheets business templates. However, that is it. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.